Current transformers, otherwise known as CTs, are in operation 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, in power plants, substations, industrial sites, and for many other applications. Usually, they remain in use for decades. Proper specification and maintenance of the CT is important for operating protection systems safely and reliably, and for correct energy metering and billing. International standards such as IEEE C57.13 and IEC 644-1 and -6 describe class characteristics of protection and metering CTs. Protection CTs have to transform currents from a few percent of nominal current up to many times its value during fault conditions. The secondary current produced by the CT must be proportional to the current flowing in the power system over the whole range, within a defined accuracy. Accuracy is the crucial criterion regarding metering CTs, as the financial consequences of incorrect billing may be very significant. The applicable standards define the ratio and phase accuracy which the CT has to provide in its specified operating range. In order to ensure reliable protection and correct metering, CTs must be tested at several stages during their life cycle. Manufacturers verify the required parameters during design and manufacturing. After shipping and installation, commissioning engineers check the wiring and verify that the CTs will perform correctly in the plant with the actual operating burden. CT circuits are rechecked when a plant is modified, for example, when new protection and control systems are installed. These systems have shorter life cycles than a CT, so such changes may occur several times during its lifetime. In some countries, it is mandatory to regularly recheck the accuracy of metering CTs to ensure correct billing. Omicron CT Analyzer uses the latest technology, allowing a complete and precise measurement of all relevant CT parameters for use in laboratories and test fields, as well as on-site field conditions. It is suitable for testing all CTs, low, medium, and high voltage types, CTs installed in transformer bushings, circuit breakers, or GIS, for factory, commissioning and recommissioning tests, or for any periodic inspection during the CT's lifetime. CT Analyzer determines all of the relevant parameters of a CT during a test run of typically 1 minute. It injects a variable frequency signal into the secondary side of the CT and measures the current injected into the secondary terminals and the corresponding voltage applied, as well as the voltage induced on the primary side. It measures the DC winding resistance, the excitation curve, and the turns ratio, determines all the parameters of the CT model, and displays the accuracy data for all current and burden values. For protection CTs, results include the terminal voltage, the accuracy limiting factor at the actual burden, and the parameters determining a CT's transient behavior. Its Remalizer function measures a CT core's magnetic remanence, helping to analyze unexpected protection behavior such as incorrect tripping or non-tripping due to CT saturation. For metering CTs, it measures the amplitude and phase angle accuracy for combinations of primary current and burden as defined in the relevant standard, and automatically assesses if the CT is within the specified limits. It shows the instrument security factor at the actual burden, verifying the meter's protection against overcurrent. Amplitude and phase error can also be calculated for any combination of primary current and burden required by the user. Even within the extreme electromagnetic environment of a high-voltage substation or power plant, it can be relied upon to provide a high level of accuracy. Its precision has been confirmed by major international testing institutes, such as PTB, KIMA, and the Wuhan Institute. Measurement results can be transferred to a PC or laptop for generating reports. Report templates can be easily customized, for instance, to include the company logos. Many languages can be selected for the user interface or reporting. The language can be readily changed at any time. CT Analyzer can also be operated via PC or laptop, allowing the convenience of working with a mouse and keyboard. The parameters of a measured CT can also be exported to network simulation programs, allowing them to calculate electrical fault currents based on the actual CT behavior. CT Analyzer's comprehensive, accurate, and fast measurements of all types of current transformers benefit manufacturers of CTs, transformers, generators, or high-voltage substations, commissioning engineers, and utility engineers working in protection and metering.